Hey guys, I just got this new trash can. Just was delivered by Amazon today and thought I'd open it up with you and we'll take a look at it, see what we got here. I really love the look of this design because of the gold trim on it. I love like teals and blues, and this is kind of like maybe, I almost might even call that a seafoam green, but I have gold accents all throughout my house. So when I saw this combo, I thought, oh, how nice. And then I think it also comes in black too. Okay, so these are look like the little feet. So that's the only piece we have to put on the bottom. I'll pull those out in a second. And then we have this, which I believe helps to hold the bag in place. When I've used this type of can before, I think it goes up and over that. Anyway, then let's take a look at the lid. Just open this up here. I found specifically in bathrooms that it's really helpful to have a lid. Oops. Just dropped that. Okay. Now, let's put the lid in place and see how well that works to the touch. So you just press, open, press, close. Really easy. I'll turn it around that way. Yeah, and then it's got this whole gold trim around the top. That was one of my favorite parts, is that and the gold feet. Looks like it's going to be able to, honestly, it's a bit bigger inside than I had imagined. I was picturing something even smaller than that, but I love how narrow it is because I live in a tiny condo and everything is like short on space. So I have a very little space between my toilet and my sink, and I think this is going to work really well. Let's take a look at the feet real quick. Okay. I may buy some more specific liners for this because of the shape of it. I often use like extra grocery sacks and that sort of thing in my bathroom trash cans, but I may want specific liners for that. I'll have to try them out and see how that works. Okay, so there's like a little notch right here, and there's also a notch here. So you just slide that in to put it into place, looks like. Yeah. So there's a little bit of angle on the feet. This really brings it home, adding the gold accent. It just sort of like, I don't know, gold. I feel like it really elevates a space. And it doesn't take much. Look at that. Look how nice that looks. Okay, let's put the lid on and just see the whole thing together. I did something wrong here. There we go. Okay. Nice. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's going to look great in my bathroom. Do you love it? Anyway, yeah, I'm crazy about it. I hope this was helpful for you. Have a great day.